Welcome to our final VCTV for 2019. It was wonderful to see so many of you at the VC Forum to celebrate what has been an extraordinary year for Curtin University. It's been terrific to see so many of our staff receiving national and international recognition and awards for their outstanding work. This recognition is reflected in Curtin now consistently being placed 9th in Australia on university rankings and 8th on the prestigious Nature Index, which is a fantastic outcome. And in the 2020 Good Universities Guide, we were ranked WA's top public university for full-time employment, staff qualifications, starting salary and learner engagement. It's also been a year where some long-term plans have come to fruition. In September, construction began on Exchange, our industry-connected innovation precinct. Among a number of new facilities, the $500 million development will see close to 1,000 new student beds, including the opening of St Catherine's College at Curtin. And just over a week ago, we opened the Curtin Midland campus with the Honourable Ken Wyatt, MP, Federal Member for Hasluck, and the Honourable Michelle Roberts, MLA, Member for Midland. The magnificent $22 million building is strategically located close to the St John of God Public Hospital in the MRA's revitalised railway workshop precinct as part of a new health and education hub. The campus will support placements for our medical school students, nursing and allied health students, and serve as a base from which to provide the Greater Eastern Metropolitan region with better access to higher education. It was also tremendous to see that the latest Good Universities Guide ranks the Curtin Medical School first in Australia for teaching quality, learner engagement, learning resources and student support. I'm also thrilled to announce that the new Dean of the Curtin Medical School is Professor Sandra Eads, a leading public health academic and respected Noongar woman who has been extremely influential in improving the health of Aboriginal communities across Australia. The medical school's Foundation Dean, Professor William Hart, who did an outstanding job in establishing the medical school, is retiring from Curtin early next year. We've also just farewelled our Foundation Elder-in-Residence, Professor Simon Forrest, another leader who, like Professor Hart, also took on a new position at Curtin that has had a profound impact on the university. As the Vice-Chancellor, I've had the privilege of witnessing both William and Simon's contributions and how they have changed our character and our direction as an institution. Our long-serving Pro-Vice-Chancellor in Malaysia, Professor Jim Min Tchaikovsky, is also retiring at the end of the year. We wish him and Simon and William all the very best for their well-earned retirements. You may also have heard the news that I will be leaving Curtin University next August to take on the role of Vice-Chancellor at the University of Queensland. It is with great sadness that I leave Curtin. It's a wonderful university and I've really enjoyed and felt so privileged to have been in the position to lead the university during such an exciting period. I hope you all have an enjoyable break and return refreshed and ready for 2020. Thank you all for your outstanding efforts throughout the year and I look forward to seeing you all next year.